Hey everyone, welcome back to the Riffsphere channel. In this video, we will be installing our second instance of Radarr, specifically designed for managing our 4K movies. As always, we will be following the recommendations provided by Trash Guides for optimal setup. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have watched the linked video on enabling the installation of multiple instances of the same container in Unraid. To get started, head over to the Apps tab in Unraid and search for Radarr. Choose the same version that you used previously and click on the Install button. Next, we need to customize the settings for our Radarr4k instance. Change the name to Radarr4k to distinguish it from the previous instance. Set the network to our custom network to ensure proper communication. Since the default port is already in use by the other instance, we will increase the port number by 1. To ensure that the port is available, expand the Docker allocations and verify its availability. Remove the default /movies and /download paths, as we will be configuring them differently. In the More Settings section, set the app data path to a dedicated Radarr4k folder in our app data share. This will keep the data separate from the other Radarr instance. Verify that the PUID, PGID, and UMask are set to 99, 100, and 022 respectively. To configure the data path, click on the plus button and select the config type as path. Name it data and set the container path to /data. Then, choose our data share as the host path. Ensure that the access mode is set to read/write for proper file handling. Click on the Add button to finalize the configuration. Once all the settings are in place, click on Apply to complete the installation of our Radarr4k instance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.